Look at this bread, easy to make and it's delicious. Start in a bowl, adding 150 milliliters of warm milk, 50 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of yeast. Mix well. Cover with plastic wrap and set aside. Now we're going to add 2 eggs and 80 grams of butter. Whisk until smooth. At this point, add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor and mix. Here, add 400 grams of all-purpose flour. Stir. Use your hands to work the dough. Perfect, this is how it should look. Cover again with plastic wrap. Set aside until it doubles in size. Meanwhile, in another bowl, add 100 grams of butter, 50 grams of sugar, and 50 grams of shredded coconut. Mix well until combined. That's perfect. When the dough reaches this stage, we'll start working on the countertop. Always work with flour. Roll out the dough and spread it with a rolling pin. Once it's spread, it should look roughly this size. Now, add the mixture we prepared, spreading it over the dough. Once that's done, roll it up like this. Then just cut the rolls to your preferred thickness. Transfer them to a baking pan greased with butter. Add the rolls. Set aside again until they double in size. After that, bake in the oven for 35 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. When you take them out of the oven, they'll look something like this. Brush a little milk over them. Then just sprinkle shredded coconut on top. Now just enjoy. These are our homemade rolls and they're amazing. If you enjoyed this recipe, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We bring you a variety of recipes every day, so subscribe to stay updated. Comment below what you'd like to see next and see you soon.